gas light is on. Ah, So, wow, man, I was starting to think that LED didn't even work because, hell, my gas light don't even come on. So, yeah, we better stop for gas. I probably should have done that beforehand. So, cue the little SpongeBob thing, or one that I make, about going to a gas station. Whew. Hey, dipped the bike a little low there, did we? Yeah, that's why I swung out in that lane. I'm like, oh, fuck, please don't scrape, please don't scrape, please don't scrape. There's no one in the lane. I'm going to take it and scrape. Like, damn it. Okay, apparently scraping my peg made my gas light go on. Oh, man, this has just been a wild ride already. Woo. All right. I think I'm still going to stop for gas, though, that's for sure. That is funny stuff right there. Man, my peg got it good that time, man. Like, oh, I don't remember how many miles it is to go when the gas light comes on, but I really hope it's within range of a gas station, because, like, I'm maybe like 5 minutes from a gas station. Like, maybe 10. I don't know. All I know is that I'm going like 65 miles an hour, and, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. This is gonna be interesting. If this is the first time I run out of gas on my motorcycle, well, hell, it's with Miss Esoteric, and it's the first time, and I've caught it on video. So, we gonna see. We gonna see. I'm like 5 minutes, come on. Don't fail me, Honda. Don't do this. You got this. Don't you backtalk me. Do what you're told. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. If it's not there, it's not going on. We're not out of gas. Maybe E means extra fuel. Oh, man. Shit. That is too funny. All right, starting to get a little worried. Little worried. We're getting there. Like, this might come down right to the wire. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, come on, I'm close. God, I'm so close. Try not to rev it high. We'll burn more gas that way. It's right here where I'd put Don't Stop Believing, but one thing, I hate that song. Two, I don't want to get a copyright strike. Oh, come on, I got this. Maybe if, like, when okay, so definitely, like, coast when you go downhill. So, okay, there's a down, okay, all right, woo! All right, home stretch, woo! All right. There's the gas station. For God's sakes, don't die on me now. All right. Yeehaw! All right, I feel better. I feel way better. All right. Man, that was close. We're gonna see.